हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ प्रोडक्ट एम्प्टीज शेयर कर रही हूँ एंड आई हैव मेड इट अ पॉइंट कि ये बिन मैं अपने बाथरूम में रखती हूँ एंड जैसे ही ये बिन फिल हो जाता है प्रोडक्ट से, बी इट हेयर केयर, बॉडी केयर, स्किन केयर, makeup and anything that I'm finishing, I'm putting in this except for perfumes. For perfume I have a separate bin that I maintain. So today I'm going to share my product empties with you guys with all of these categories inclusive except for perfumes, and going to share my mini reviews whether these are worth purchasing, whether I will be repurchasing them or not. So I will be sharing my mini reviews with you guys with this video. So let's begin with this video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Please let me know your opinion on this background. Is it too cluttered for you? Is it disturbing? So I'll switch back to showing plain walls behind me. But yeah, this is kind of the setup that I go for. This is like my perfume ka cupboard, and I don't intend to have any more perfumes which don't fit into this cupboard. Like, I don't have different places in my house where I'm keeping my perfumes. I'm trying to consolidate everything in this cupboard, just letting you know. Okay, so the first product that I want to talk about is from Tresemme. This one is Tresemme Lamellar Gloss. Lamellar Gloss. This is what this shampoo looks like. And this is with Amino Gloss Complex, and this is a professional shampoo. Now I have two bottles of this one. I actually got it in offer when I went to Star Bazaar, which is near my place. So it was buy one get one, so I got it at a very good deal. I really like this shampoo. It cleans my hair without making it like, you know, very dry and crusty. So I really like that it kind of is effective as a cleanser, hair cleanser. So I like this shampoo, love the fragrance. It has a nice spa like feel to it for some reason. So I already have a backup bottle because it was a buy one get one, so I'm still like using the other one. I do like it and I don't mind for the price that I paid for it. So I quite enjoyed this shampoo, and yeah, it will be a repurchase. Next I have a conditioner. This one is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is rice water and Angelica seed oil. This is specifically meant for curls and waves, and I kind of was okay with this conditioner. I will not say ki yeah, this was meant for my curls and my curls just improvised after using this. Nothing of that sort happened. In fact, the lavender variant of the shampoo and conditioner works better on my hair, so I'm not going to repurchase this one. The shampoo and conditioner both were quite average for me. The lavender variant in the same brand performs much better on my hair, so I'm going to go for those as repurchase, and this one is not a repurchase for me. Then next is a kids shampoo. This one is from Johnson, and this is Active Kids Shiny Drop Shampoo. So I was basically using this to clean my makeup brushes, and it cleans the brushes well, doesn't harm the bristles, and you know, all my expensive brushes are taken care with this shampoo. I did not feel the need to specifically buy a shampoo for my brushes. I think the ones that I'm using for my hair itself will do the job, because I don't feel that I am kind of using very harsh products on my hair. And even if the shampoo is strong, I can just use one drop of it and mix it with a lot of water to dilute it. So I will not be repurchasing any more shampoos just for my makeup brushes. So yeah, this will not be a repurchase for me. Then I have a Forest Essential hair cleanser, which I basically picked up from Taj Hotel. So I visited there and I was staying there, and I just loved this one and I picked it from that hotel. And this is from Forest Essential hair cleanser, aloe vera and neem, and to my surprise on their website I could not find this variant. I think they specifically make this product for Taj Hotel, because I could not find this variant anywhere on their website. But this has piqued my interest into hair cleansers from Forest Essential. Forest Essential is a very expensive brand for me to be affording the skincare, hair care, makeup and everything from Forest Essential. So it's like a investment in my opinion. Like, those products are expensive, yeah. So I think I'm okay to kind of continue with the shampoo conditioners that I'm using. L'Oreal does great with shampoo and conditioners. However, I absolutely love this, and this gave a very luxurious feel and a very spa-like experience, but only for special occasions. I think I need something like this. Otherwise, I'm okay to go with my regular shampoo and conditioners. So anyways, there's no option of repurchasing this. But yes, it has opened a new interest for me that is checking out the Forest Essential products, which is an expensive deal. Next one is from Plum. Now I got this tester when I ordered some Plum products. This one is coconut milk and peptide strength and shine shampoo. I already had a larger bottle of this shampoo and their conditioner. I have used it, I liked it, but I did not repurchase it because I did not find it to be outstanding that this is my go-to product kind. I did not feel that way. So this was just a use and throw kind of a product for me and still remains the same. Next one is from L'Oreal Paris, and this one is my favorite conditioner to go for. This is your Hyaluronic 72 Moisture Sealing Conditioner, and this is how it looks like. Absolutely love the magical formula that this one is. It just gives the right quenching amount of water and conditioning to my curls that I need. My hair is doing just so nice. It's soft, it is curly, it is kind of like gaining back its luster, and any point of time it's a no-brainer kind of a conditioner for me. I don't know how many times I've repurchased it. I highly recommend you, if you are a curly girl or a wavy girl who has frizz in her hair, I think you definitely need to try something like this. You will not be disappointed, and this is not very expensive also. It's kind of like budget friendly as well. Highly recommend it, and this is going to be a for sure repurchase for me. Next product is from Maintain, and this is their styling leave-in cream. Now I have completely broken this to get every ounce of product that was inside this, and call it Chindigiri or whatever, but I just needed every drop to be used of this product. It's that good. This is one of my best styling products for styling my curls. It does not make my curls crunchy, does not weigh them down, makes them soft, makes them manageable. Absolutely love what Maintain products are doing here. I have already purchased a bigger bottle, like a bigger tube of this one, which is kept in my bathroom right now, and that's what I am using for my styling. So absolutely love what Maintain products are doing for the Indian girls and the Indian curly girls out there, and absolutely love this one. Already repurchased it. Then leave-in conditioner from Moxie. I really love this leave-in conditioner as well. So Moxie and Maintain are at war of who is creating better products for curly girls in India. For me personally, I like Maintain brand products more than Moxie. I am still yet to try all the products that Moxie has, but all the best sellers from Maintain is what I have tested and tried, and they are Shreya approved. So Moxie is still a brand that I am still kind of like testing, trying and exploring, but whatever I've used so far, I'm kind of liking it. So leave-in conditioner is a good one in their range, good consistency. Again, it just makes my curls super soft without making them crunchy and frizz free. So I really like this one as well. The next one is again from Moxie, and this is Super Defining Curl Cream, and this also helps in frizz control. This is how this one looks like. Now this one is also a good curl cream, but again I like the Maintain curl cream more. So for me, that is a definite repurchase, and this is like, if I get bored of Maintain curl cream, then this is like a backup option for me. At the moment, I'm really liking the Maintain one, so I am going to continue using that and repurchase that instead of buying this one. I think I'm pretty much done with hair care products. Next, I want to move on with moisturizers. Now this one is a body lotion, and this one is from Avon. This is Imari Seduction, and this was a perfume skin softener, basically a skin lotion in my opinion. And this one was for 400 rupees. Got it from Nykaa, I think, or Amazon, I don't remember. I love the fragrance on this one. Like, it is such a nice floral comforting scent and has a very nice sexy seductive vibe to it. I absolutely loved and enjoyed using this lotion. The consistency was so nice, not too thick, not too thin, and I am kind of interested in trying more Avon perfumes as well as lotions. If you have tried some of Avon products, do let me know your take on those, and if you have any specific recommendations, leave them in the comment section. Next is by Victoria's Secret. This is Bare Vanilla, and this is the fragrance lotion. Again, I have completely finished this one, and I had some bad experience at the end of 4 months like using this lotion. So this lasted me for around 4 months, and in the 4th month, during this summer heat, the lotion just started to melt. Like, from lotion consistency, it became runny consistency. Like, the moment I would open, the liquid in terms of lotion would just ooze out of this bottle. I don't know what happened. This is not a product which is expiring or even is near the expiring date, but with the heat, with the summer that is there in Hyderabad, this just started melting, and that's what I did not like. From that lotion consistency, it went into a water consistency. It is very difficult for me to kind of like process that information, because these lotions are so expensive. They're almost in the 1,000 range mark, and I was expecting better quality from Victoria's Secret, so I am disappointed with this quality. I don't know if it was just me who has experienced this, but the melting of this lotion did not sit well with me. This one has whipped vanilla, soft cashmere, and it's quite a, it's my skin but better kind of a fragrance. So it was very warm, cozy, and addictive kind of a fragrance. I loved the experience of it till third month. By fourth month, I lost my interest because of the consistency change. So I will not be, I will try to not repurchase this again. Okay, the next one is from Lux, and this is Essence of Himalayas Rose and Aloe Vera Body Wash. This was a pink colored body wash with some kind of like scrub particles in it. I really enjoyed this one. A very fresh, soothing rose fragrance, best for summers and very refreshing. My entire bathroom would smell like a valley of roses, and the fragrance also lingers for half an hour or so. Cleanses the body really well without stripping off the natural oil. Overall, I really like this. I like the pricing on this as well, and I think this is value for money, a definite repurchase for me. Then I have a body scrub, and this one is from Bisac. This one is in the variant Chasing Stars, and this has that silica beads in it, and as you can see, completely finished. I have not left an iota of this one. I enjoyed the fragrance on this one. This is a very bubblegummy tuberose fragrance which just fills the entire bathroom. It's super refreshing. The scrubbing is really nice. It helps with detanning my hands and gets rid of that strawberry legs situation. I love this product, and I love the fragrance on this one as well. Especially if you have the Bisac Chasing Star body wash, as well as you have their other products like the body mist and the perfume, this makes it a good layering combination. If you have any bubblegum tuberose fragrance like Armani My Way, or you have a dupe to Armani My Way, you have Police Love Potion Pink Wala, all of those sit really well with the layering combination with this fragrance. If you have any tuberose fragrance, tuberose white floral heavy fragrance, that also layers really well with this. So I love the fragrance on this one. I love this variant, and I definitely would want to repurchase this one. Next two are samples from Forest Essential. Now I just got these samples when I ordered my night cream from Forest Essentials, and the night cream that I'm using, I think, is 24 Gold Saundarya night cream or something, and that is working wonders on my skin. My tanning has reduced, my pimples have reduced, my acne marks are reducing. So I am in love with that skincare product. I got these two free moisturizers when I ordered that, and this is Ultra Rich Body Milk Indian Rose Absolute. Now this is a very running consistency. So it was like just when you open the tube, it would run out like water. So ended up wasting a little bit of product, which I was feeling very bad for, because Forest Essential products are super expensive. So I did not want to waste this product, but by mistake, I ended wasting some of it. Like it, I don't love it. Has a very herbal rose fragrance to it, which kind of doesn't sit very well on my body chemistry, but it was working well with this Lux body wash. So I would use this body wash, and then I would go with those two lotions on my body. So 3 to 4 days I was able to finish those lotions, right? So those 3 to 4 days I was like a rose goddess, because then after shower I would put a platinum perfume Delina exclusive dupe on myself, and I would just smell of roses the whole day. So I really like that layering combination where I was smelling rosy and I was smelling very soft yet romantic and pinky, kind of very feminine. So I like the layering combination, but as such I will not repurchase kind of that lotion, right? Then I have a facial Upton. This is also a sample that I received from Forest Essential, and this one is Roop Nikhar Gulab. Now this has a very gritty formula. I think you will be able to see मिट्टी जैसा formula है इसका. Really well. ओके, रियली वेल एज अ स्क्रब, लाइक अ फिजिकल स्क्रब. मुझे बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं थी ये प्रोडक्ट इतना अच्छा होगा. अब मैंने पहले इसको बहुत कोसा कि कैसा ऑयली सा लेयर बना रहा है मेरे स्किन पे. 2-3 बार यूज किया, आई गॉट एडिक्टिव टू दिस प्रोडक्ट. नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग कि कहीं मुझे ये भी खरीदना ना पड़ जाए. फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स आर जस्ट ग्रोइंग ऑन मी, बट उनकी प्राइस भी ग्रो हो रही है. तो दैट्स हाउ आई एम कंट्रोलिंग माई सेल्फ कि बहुत महंगा मत खरीदो. तो बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर रही हूँ, बट इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट निकलेगा ये मुझे नहीं पता था. इफ़ एट ऑल आई फील लाइक आई कैन अफोर्ड दिस, आई विल डेफिनेटली वांट टू परचेज दिस. अनदर सैम्पल फ्रॉम Forest Essential. This one is after bath oil Nargis. Really love this oil. Like, it was so good and moisturizing and hydrating without being sticky. But I am not going to purchase this one because of the expensiveness that Forest Essential has. But if you have the budget for it, go for it. Such a pretty oil. And I am using the one currently from Plum, the Shea variant in the body oil. It's very sticky. I'm not liking it. I just want to finish it and then I will not repurchase it. But yeah, next product is from CeraVe, and this one is moisturizing cream from dry to very dry skin. So there was a time when I started getting very dry patches in this part of my skin. Like, it was peeling off. My skin was peeling off from these two areas, and I think it was because of usage of tretinoin and all of that. So I was on some skin treatment because of which my skin had started peeling, and this has been very, very helpful. CeraVe products are absolutely stunning. They are good performers, and this has just done the job well. Wherever I had those dry, clingy patches, this product has taken care of that. So if you are someone who has dry and flaky skin, you definitely want to give this one a try. This is a CeraVe moisturizer for dry to very dry skin. Next is a sunscreen from Lukewarm. This is SPF 50 PA++. Now this formula was amazing. No white cast, and kind of like a gel cream formula, and such a huge bottle which literally lasted me for more than 6 months. And this was costing for 880 rupees. So I think for the price, the formula, the consistency, the performance, everything was top notch. I am interested in getting like a backup bottle on this one, but I do have around 3 to 4 sunscreens that I want to finish first. So I may not immediately repurchase this, but I have wishlisted this and I am interested in getting a backup on this one. Then some random makeup stuff. This is makeup removing wipe from Berries variant, and I got this one from Miniso. And this is like 5 rupees per sheet kind of thing, and had 30 sheets in it. Really cleanses the face and removes the makeup well. No complaints, and might consider repurchasing as well. Then I have the Color Bar nail enamel remover in the variant Bloom. Did not like this. It will not be repurchased. I like the chocolate variant in this one, the bigger bottle in the dip and twist variant. This one did not work out for me. Only the chocolate variant one works really well on me, and I keep repurchasing that one. I don't know why I purchased this one. Not going to repurchase it. Then Nivea deodorant. This one is fresh natural, 48 hours freshness. बिल्कुल ना फॉग या धुआं निकलता है बॉटल में से, एंड अब मुझे आदत नहीं है इस टाइप के fragrances miss. So I did not enjoy the formula on this deodorant. Had it been like जैसे fog के deodorants रहते हैं ना जिसमें सिर्फ हवा नहीं रहती है, उसमें actually perfume oil निकलता है, तो मुझे वैसे वाले ज़्यादा पसंद है, मिस्ट फॉर्मेट वाले ज़्यादा पसंद है. ये बिल्कुल धुआं था. इट वॉज लाइक वाइट धुआं इन द एयर. तो मुझे इसका फॉर्मूला उतना पसंद है की, तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिपर्चेज दिस वन. ये बाय वन गेट वन था, इसीलिए इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू गेट ओवर विद दिस. बट नाउ दैट इट्स ओवर, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू रिपर्चेज इट. Last product that I have, is this the last product? Yeah, this is the last product that I have, and this one is from Tipsy Beauty. This is double shot eyeliner. I really like the kajal on this one. Kajal on one side and eyeliner on the other side. Kajal मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छे से काम किया. इतना सा बचा भी है. I may actually use it. अभी मैंने लगाया भी नहीं है. इसकी काजल की क्वालिटी मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. काजल काफ़ी अच्छा है इसका. यार बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो रहा था इसका लाइनर, तो that was the reason that I did not like the liner on this one. बट काजल बहुत अच्छा था. बट 2-in-1 पेंसिल का उतना यूज़ नहीं हुआ मुझे, बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट मेक यूज ऑफ द लाइनर, राइट. सो नॉट अ repurchase on this. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I have covered mini reviews well, and you get an idea whether a purchase will be a buy for me or a bye for me. So that is for today's video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.